Good morning, children. Today we will start alternating current. What is alternating current here? The current whose magnitude changes with the time and the polarity get reverse. If we draw the current time graph, then at the point O, current is 0. At the time of T by 4 for the complete cycle, current is maximum. At this point, current is 0. Now, current is increasing in the negative side. At the time 3t by 4, current is maximum in the negative half, and again it becomes 0. Current whose magnitude changes with the time, magnitude changes and polarity get reverse. After half time it becomes negative, then after half it becomes positive, after half it becomes negative. Then we can say that polarity get reverse. For the current, we have the equation I is equal to I naught sin omega t, where I naught is peak or maximum value of current, I is instantaneous current, omega is angular frequency, angular velocity. We know omega is 2 pi upon t. If we write the equation for the voltage, then same, V is equal to V naught sin omega t. Here V naught is maximum or peak value of the voltage, V is instantaneous voltage, and same, current is maximum at T by 4 and it is maximum at 3t by 4, but it is in the negative half. Next topic is mean or average value of AC. The value of the steady current which sends the same amount of charge through a circuit in half cycle as sent by AC through same circuit in the same time. Half cycle means this is complete cycle. For the complete cycle time is 0 and for the half cycle time is t by 2. In half cycle, for the half cycle time taken is t by 2. Now we know I is equal to I naught sin omega t. We know I is equal to charge upon time dq upon dt, or we can write dq is equal to I into dt. dq is equal to, put the value of I naught, this is I naught sin omega t into dt. Now integrate dq I naught sin omega t into dt. Time taken is half cycle 0 to t by 2. Now Q, this is equal to I naught. Integration of sin omega t is minus cos omega t 0 t by 2. Q is equal to I naught minus, we can write here minus sign here, omega is 2 pi upon t small t 0 to t by 2. Now Q is equal to minus I naught. Put the value of small t, this is t by 2 minus cos 2 pi upon t into 0. We get Q minus I naught. It will be cancelled. It will be cancelled. So cos 180 minus 1. 2 pi upon t multiplied by 0, it will be 0, cos 0, 1, Q divided by omega also in the integration of sin omega t. Omega is 2 pi upon t minus 2, it will be cancelled, minus minus I naught T upon pi. So this is equation number first. Now I average current flow. We can write I average time is T by 2. This is equation number first. From equation first and second, we can write I naught T upon pi I average T by 2. So we get I average, that is 2 I naught upon pi. Next topic is root mean square value of alternating current. The value of the steady current which generates same amount of heat in a given resistance. Now, in unit second, we have done H is equal to I square R into T. If time taken is small, heat generated that will be small. Now we can write here dH is equal to I square R into dt. In a given time as done by AC when passed to the same resistance in the same time. Now this is for the complete cycle. For the complete cycle time taken is T. We know I is equal to I naught sin omega t. Put the value of I here. dH is equal to I naught sin omega t whole square R into dt. We can write here I naught square sin square omega t R into dt. We can write here I naught square into R sin square omega t into dt. Now integrate sin square omega t for the cycle 0 to t. H is equal to I naught square R 0 to t. Sin square omega t we can write here 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2 into dt. H is equal to I naught square R by 2 0 to t dt minus 0 to t cos 2 omega t into dt. Now we can write here I naught square R by 2 integration of 0 to t dt, it is t minus cos 2 omega t 1 by 2 omega sin 2 omega t 0 to t h I naught square R by 2 1 by 2 omega. This is omega we can write here 2 pi upon t into t minus it will be complete sin 0 because when we put 0 here 2 omega into 0 it will be 0. So we get H is equal to I naught square R by 2 1 by 2 omega cancelled sin 4 pi 0 sin 0 0 it will be 0. So we get H is equal to I naught square R by 2 t equation number first. Now IRMS current flow for time t we can write I square RMS into RT, question number second.